What's up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment on any of my videos letting me know that you guys are a new viewer, because once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm at 183 right now that I'm recording this video, I'm going to be doing a random giveaway to a person that I select from my comment section, so make sure to hop in on that if you're a new viewer, because you do not want to miss out on what the prize is. So as you guys read in the title of this video, I just wanted to go over a cool little news story that I ran over actually on Instagram a couple days ago about 50 Cent accidentally becoming a millionaire, even though he already was a millionaire, but a millionaire from his collection of Bitcoin that he actually held from 2014. 50 Cent has a Bitcoin collection worth more than $7 million. Quote unquote, I forgot I did that shit. So he pretty much just forgot he even had this stash of Bitcoin, which is freaking crazy. But 50 Cent won't have to die trying to get rich. Thanks to a long-forgotten Bitcoin stash, he's already got it covered. So back in 2014, 50 Cent actually started accepting Bitcoin as a payment for his fifth studio album, Animal Ambition, which is a great album, by the way, but I'm not going to get deeper into that because I could talk 50 Cent and rap all freaking day, but it's actually cool. He started actually accepting it as a currency back in 2014 when obviously the hype wasn't there. Not many people believed in it, and no one really knew the actual value of the coin and how much it can actually be worth one day. So from 2014, he held on to his Bitcoin. He kind of forgot about it since then. So though he said at the time he was just trying to stay with the times, the money move has since paid off in a huge freaking way, right? TMZ reports that 50 Cent earned about 700 Bitcoins back in 2014, which today is valued anywhere from $7 to $8 million. And back in 2014, the Bitcoin that he actually accepted for the Animal Ambition album was worth about $600 a piece. Right? So if he were to sell at $11,000, $10,000 where it's at today, that's still roughly about like an 18x to 20x increase. Back in 2014, the rapper's cryptocurrency collection was $400,000. But in the years since, it's actually skyrocketed to $7 to $8 million like we saw in the beginning. And that's freaking crazy, guys. That's close to about what? Like $400,000 to $8 million. That's about, off the top of my head, that's close to like an 18 to 20x increase, which is crazy, guys, because it really just shows you that people out there got rich on accident holding Bitcoins. Like, it's freaking crazy that if you were to put a little bit amount of money in 2010, 2012, 2014, you would have a crap ton of money right now. But that's besides the point. Everyone already knows that. But I just think it's cool that people were accepting it as currency and made a lot more money, made a huge return on the appreciation of the currency itself. So in a since-deleted Instagram, the rapper gave himself a pat on the back for his slick investment. Not bad for a kid from the South Side. I'm so proud of me, he wrote with money bag emojis alongside a screenshot from the TMZ article. I'm gonna keep it real. I forgot that I did that shit. So pretty cool, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little news article about 50 Cent making millions on Bitcoin, holding it, and it's pretty cool that you can see what's possible with cryptocurrency. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I'm thinking about bringing more news stories to the channel about cool things that I see going around in the crypto world, stock market world, Amazon FBA world. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Like I said in the beginning of the video, make sure to subscribe and let me know if you're a new subscriber, because once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you're in on that. Let's make some money today, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.